Greetings everyone. I am Yashwant from Sri Krishna College of Technology and I am here to speak on the benefits and disadvantages of nuclear power. Undeniably, nuclear power is one of the cheapest and cleanest sources of energy available in the modern world. It is able to sustain the modern world needs by providing clean energy which is eco-friendly and does not affect the environment. It does not emit any greenhouse gases which lead to climate change and greenhouse effect, but also it's not finite like coal and petrol. It's infinite and its abundance is not at all a matter of cost. With 1 gram of uranium, we are able to generate enough energy that can sustain the needs of two largest metropolitan cities of India. Nuclear power plants, which are located in remote places of India, are able to sustainably create the enough energy that can satisfy people's needs. Power, being an important source of energy in the modern world, where the world drives around power, it is also important to notice disadvantages. Some of the disadvantages of a nuclear power plant are the follows. First, the nuclear waste which is produced from a nuclear power plant must be handled carefully and with utmost care, as radiation from which is produced by nuclear reactions are very harmful, which can lead to cancer and gene modifications. With gene modification, it does not only affect a generation, but it affects the entire lifetime of humans and entire lifeline of humans to say. And when nuclear waste is handled perfectly, the another problem which may arise is the capital involved in creation of nuclear energy. It costs so much money to create a nuclear power plant, and the energy produced from it is not at all enough to sustainably manage the cost made to manage the nuclear power plant. And another disadvantage is the coolant used to cool the nuclear power reactor. Current days, the salt water from the ocean is used and they are directly released into the ocean, which may affect the aquatic flora and fauna. In recent days, we are able to see that several coolants were released without any treatment into the rivers of America, which caused a lot of biodiversity changes in America. And when nuclear waste and nuclear power is handled carefully, another problem which might arise is the management of nuclear power plants. Due to wrong management and wrong system failures, we have seen such nuclear disasters like Chernobyl incident in Ukraine in 1986, which was one of the biggest nuclear disasters in human lifetime. It was enough to modify the 360 living species of organisms around the nuclear power plant and affected 1 lakh people, which were around the radius of 5 kilometers from the nuclear power plant. So I would like to conclude by saying that even though nuclear energy is a cheap and affordable source of energy, it is only a matter of cost when we are able to handle the nuclear waste, the systems and the nuclear coolants perfectly. When we hold all the powers in one hand, we are able to create enough energy to sustain the lifetime and long live and make the humans live long and satisfy their needs. Thank you.